Air travel, once seen as a symbol of aspiration, was a distant dream for many in India. To turn this dream into reality, under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, the Ministry of Civil Aviation launched the Regional Connectivity Scheme UDAN, उड़े देश का आम नागरिक।
बीते 11 साल में देश में एक के बाद एक नए एयरपोर्ट बनते चले गए। साल 2014 में हमारे देश में सिर्फ 74 एयरपोर्ट थे। आज भारत में एयरपोर्ट की संख्या 160 को पार कर गई है। साथियों, जब देश के छोटे छोटे शहरों में एयरपोर्ट बनते हैं तो वहां के लोगों को हवाई सफर के लिए विकल्प मिलने लगता है।
Inspired by the people-centric UDAN scheme, Honorable Union Civil Aviation Minister Shri Kinjarapu Ram Mohan Naidu launched another significant initiative, the UDAN Yatri Cafe, providing affordable and quality refreshments at Indian airports. The first UDAN Yatri Cafe in the country was launched at Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, Kolkata, and subsequently at 6 other airports: Chennai, Ahmedabad, Pune, Bhubaneswar, Itanagar, and Vijayawada. Today, the Honorable Union Civil Aviation Minister is inaugurating UDAN Yatri Cafes at Coimbatore, Surat, Mumbai, Thiruvananthapuram, and Mangaluru airports. And more UDAN Yatri Cafes will be opened across airports nationwide in phased manner.
UDAN Yatri Cafe has been a sensation in the airports after the launching of first UDAN Yatri Cafe in Kolkata Airport in December 2024. We have received excellent response from the passengers, especially people from the common background who are travelling today, all because of the vision of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji.
On this occasion, Digi Yatra is also being inaugurated at Port Blair, Surat, Mangaluru, Thiruvananthapuram, Navi Mumbai, and Nagpur airports, enabling faster, paperless check-in at airports, ensuring a more seamless travel experience for passengers. Currently, Digi Yatra is operational at 24 airports across the country, benefiting over 6 crore passengers. Apart from these, a host of other airport passenger facilities are getting dedicated to the nation today. Free Wi-Fi services are being introduced at 39 airports, along with flybrary facilities at 5 airports. These facilities will benefit passengers, working professionals and students, enabling them to productively use their waiting time before departure. A pioneering initiative by AAI, the Avsar scheme, is aimed to strengthen local self-help groups by allocating space at airports, providing them wider visibility and enabling promotion and marketing of their products. Today, Avsar stalls at 3 airports, Kolhapur, Surat, and Coimbatore are being launched. To cater to the needs of young flyers, kids zones are also being inaugurated at 7 airports. All these initiatives aim to make air travel more affordable, accessible and comfortable, in line with the Honorable Prime Minister's vision of Viksit Bharat 2047. Today, airports are no longer just transit hubs. They are becoming centers of experience. This is the identity of a new India, where convenience meets inclusivity and self-reliance shapes the future.